All right, so the first thing we want to do is create our game. Unless you already have one, that's okay. I'm just going to create a random game with a template here, and I'm going to call this token game. Hit create. Once our game has opened, I'm going to close these. I'm going to go to the editor configuration settings. I'm going to open up the server tier and change this to enterprise tier 7. Make sure to close and save. Then go to editor configuration once more. We'll go to Web3, and this is where all the magic happens. We're going to enable this, and here you can start to select your blockchain. We're going to do Solana. We're going to do Moddio and DevNet. I'm going to hit next. Now, if you get an error here, you need to make sure that you save and close. Get an error again, just try reloading your page. All right, now we're going to scroll down here, and normally what you might want to do is select native and Solana, and that's it, and you can just save. But for us, we're going to test this a little bit. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go into my fake wallet here, and I'm going to copy my demo coin. I'm going to scroll down into my mint, copy this, and I'm going to head back into the thing that was here. I'm going to copy this, copy paste this code here, and I'm going to hit save. It'll prompt my wallet to open up, and you can see sometimes I get an error here. And what I'll have to do is I'm going to close this and save and close. And it might not have saved, so what we're going to have to do is open up Web3 again. Scroll down, here we go. So it didn't save, so we're going to have to do this one more time. We can actually pick this and then this, so we have the icon. We'll save, select wallet, select the wallet that pops up. We can close, hit save, and now we got the web saved successfully. We'll close this, and now we'll reload our game page, so that way the shop skin will pop up. Now on the top left, we have a open shop skin, and we can create a skin. Go to add new skin, a new tab will open, and we can add a new skin. Now for the name, I'm going to say new skin. The unit type is whichever skin you want this for. I'll do survivor. Now the price of the utility token, we can do 1 or 0.01. Now for the skin image, we can open this up and select a random image. I'm just going to select a mine. It doesn't really matter. And we're going to hit true for the approved, save, and now we can head back to our game. And if it doesn't pop up right away, you can just reload the page once more by hitting Control-R. Once we are in, we can close, open up our shop, and here is our skin. You can see the price with the icon that we've put, which is the Solana icon. We can hit purchase. Our wallet will pop up. It'll ask us to confirm. I can confirm this as it's a test purchase. And there we go. We now have our new skin, which looks like a mine. We can equip it now, and it'll equip it onto my survivor, which might make my survivor look a little weird. And there you go. We now have a mine as a player, which is probably not ideal, but hopefully you guys can create your own skin that looks amazing. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. And that's it for this one.